Okay, so today we'll look at how to simulate a cloud scenario using CloudSim and run a scheduling algorithm that is not present in CloudSim. Okay, so what CloudSim is? CloudSim is a simulator where you can uh, perform simulations related to cloud, where you can assign jobs which are known as cloudlets to the broker. Their broker is also present where there is a data store and there are many policies of any resource allocated. So many things are there in the simulator. So what we have to do is we have to demonstrate our scheduling algorithm. So that scheduling algorithm will be related to some of the cloudlets. So let us see how we are going to do that. So first of all, we need few of the installations. One is any of the IDE for running Java applications. So in this we'll be using Eclipse, and for running Java applications we need two things. One is the Jdk and the second is the JRE. So the both the things are should be installed on your computer, and the next thing which is going to be used for the simulation, that is CloudSim package. So that is to be downloaded. So I'll skim through the uh, sites first. First one is the Jdk Java Development Kit. So I'll pin these sites in the description of this video. You can choose whichever operating system you have, and you can download these JDK, and the same with goes with JRE also. Okay, just a minute. I'll download JRE. Yeah, here you go. On the index.html, you have the packages. So make sure that you install both of them. And the next one is CloudSim. So I'll pin this also here. The CloudSim 5.0 is the pre-release, so let us not go for that. We'll use the latest one, 4.0. It has lots of bug fixes, and that all is done in 4.0, so that is why we'll use 4.0 rather than 5.0. Okay, now let us install Eclipse first. This is the installer. I'll open that installer now. Okay, I'll wait for the installer to start. Other two things are the JDK, Java Development Kit, and the Java Runtime Environment, which is needed for running the Java applications. So both the things are to be installed with the IDE. So before what can you see? Before installing this, what let us do the installation of JDK and JRE first. So you must allow this particular JDK to be installed on your computer. So I have already installed it. You just need to, if I'm reinstalling it now, so let us wait for its configuration. Yeah, it is getting installed again. So next, this is the by default folder where it will get installed. Next, yeah, so JDK's installation is done, and the new JRE's installation also will do. Yeah, we'll say install now. So Java is getting installed. I've already installed Java, so it is reinstalling rather. Meanwhile, here you can see that the let this install. We can see in the Eclipse installer, you must click on the option for Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So what you can do is you can click on this and it will by default start the download for the particular Eclipse, whichever is you're choosing for, that is for Java developers. And it will automatically, you have to provide it a workspace where that particular projects of all the Eclipse projects will be residing there, all the Java projects will be residing. So that is what. And we are done with the JRE setup also, so I'll close this. And you, after that, let me open the Eclipse now. Okay, Eclipse is launching now. So I have some source files for the task of the scheduling algorithm. So as we have skimmed through all the installation, now what we have to do is we have to run a scheduling algorithm that is not present in CloudSim. Okay, so these all files contain the shortage of first scheduling algorithm. So let us wait for Eclipse to launch. So this is my workspace. So I'll launch it here. You can choose any of the workspace which you have defined in your computer, so choose that one. Eclipse ID is starting. Okay, so this is how Eclipse looks like. So what you have to do is you have to click on new, then create a new Java project. So you can name it SJF Scheduler or anything you want, and then next and finish. Okay, so we have SJF Scheduler here. Now SJF scheduler, inside the src file, what you'll do is create a package. So let's say the name of the particular package is custom package. Suppose you can name it anything, whatever you want. Okay, finish it. Yeah, so this is this inside the custom package now. So what we want to do is we want all these files which are here in the source files to get dubbed inside this particular custom package. So what I'll do is right click here and I'll open it in the file explorer. So where I can show in the file explorer, system explorer. So yeah, here where it is in the src folder in the custom package, what we'll do is I'll copy these files and I'll paste it here. Okay, so here you can see that all the files must be there. So what we'll do is we'll reload this project. We'll close this project and we'll again open it. Okay, so all the files must be there. Yeah, all the files are here, but there are cross marks because the package name which we provided, your custom package, and the package name which is in these files is not similar. So let us change the name. I'll copy this and open these files which where the package name needs to be changed. Okay, yeah. Now what we need to do is we need to add the jar files, the CloudSim files. So here you can see that there are red linings below here. So what this means that the particular file which they are looking for is not present, or the classes they are looking for that are not present. So we need to do that first. So when you have the CloudSim package, you have the CloudSim package here, the tar file. So extract it So when you go to the extracted files here you see the jars, the two jars we need to include to remove this error. So all the classes which are imported here are present in those jar files. So what we'll do is we will click here, right click here. After that, build path and add libraries. So there are JRE libraries next. So we need to just a second, right click, build path and configure build path. So here in the libraries section you need to add external jars here and go to the path where this particular uh, the jar files you have extracted. So select these and open it and apply the feature, apply and close. So here you can see that all the redlinings and all the errors have been resolved now. So what we need to do is we need to run the scheduler now. So SJF scheduler is the main file which we need to run. Okay, so just right click and run as an Java application. So it will look for all the classes which can run the example or the public static void main classes which are present. All the things will be here. So what we need to do is we need to find the file name, that is SJF scheduler, SJF scheduler. Okay, so this is inside our custom package, right? We need to run it. Okay, so here you can see that this is the output of this particular scheduler. So here you can see that all the data centers are being created, then the broker is assigning particular VM to that particular cloudlets. These all are the cloudlets. Cloudlets means the tasks which are assigned in the CloudSim, and the broker is receiving that task here and it is assigning to that particular VM. And this is the output, that the cloudlet ID, what was its status, which data center received it, which virtual machine received it, time, start time, finish time, etc. So this is what we need to do in this assignment. So yeah, that was all about it.